Hello everyone, welcome you all. Today we are discussing the postcode A24 Hotel Inspector exam. So let's start the GS portion. 148. Which act suggested the post of Comptroller and Auditor General? Article 148 of Indian Constitution deals with Comptroller and Auditor General, and the act suggested the post of CAG is Act of 1919. Option B is correct, and this act is also known as Montfort Reforms. 149. How many writs can be issued by Supreme Court? Here you can see the types of writ. There are 5 types of writ which is issued by Supreme Court of India, and these writs are listed in Article 32 of Indian Constitution, which is also known as the heart and soul of Indian Constitution, and these 5 writs are habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, prohibition, quo warranto. 150. Who administers the oath of the office to the president? आर्टिकल 60 में ओथ और अफर्मेशन ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट के बारे में दिया गया है, एंड द ओथ इज एडमिनिस्टर्ड बाय CJI, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया. द राइट आंसर इज चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया, ऑप्शन ए. Which is the brightest planet of the solar system? The correct answer is option B, Venus. 152. Which river crosses the equator twice? Here you can see this line is equator, and this is Congo river. This cut the equator at once and here at twice. The right answer is Congo. Congo river crosses the equator twice. 153. Where is the Secretariat of the Conference on Biological Diversity? The correct answer is Montreal, option C. 154. Which of the following is the longest lake in India? The correct answer is option D, Vemanad, which is in Kerala. 155. The forest of Sundarban is called as mangrove forest. Option B is correct. 156. Fertilizer complex Paradeep Phosphate Limited is located in which state? The correct answer is Odisha. 157. A closed economy is one which, the correct answer is option A, do not trade with other countries. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us.